and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, the topic is different. It is about the men in our lives, and shopping for them is always like a task, and it's nothing less than cracking a code. But today, don't you worry, I've got your back and I have some amazing yet thoughtful and fun cozy gifting ideas for them which will totally make their day. Whether it's your husband, whether it's your boyfriend, whether it's your brother or a bestie. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my videos, and it will mean the world to me. Grab something to drink, sit back, and let's get gifting. So basically I have divided this whole video into categories. So I have from clothing to like accessories, from the home and the gym wear and everything. That's how the video is going to be. So yeah, let's start with the first one, clothing section. Either you all can go for these long sleeves one, or you all can definitely go with half sleeves one. Both are like good. So yeah, these would be my first preference in terms of the clothing pieces. The next thing would be a good material linen shirt, and oh my god, these shirts are so good. So yeah, these would be like my second option from the clothing section. A good linen shirt for the win, definitely any day. Another option would be a nice comfy hoodie, and I know for a fact that all the boys love their hoodies and all the girlfriends love to steal their boyfriend's hoodies too. So yeah, gift them a good nice comfy hoodie so on some days you all can steal them. Also, I feel it's like another level of fun and happiness that you get when you wear your boyfriend's clothes, or when you wear your brother's t-shirts. It is like next level happiness, and for a fact they always look good. When I like wear my brother's shorts and t-shirts, they always look good, but the other part is that he always get annoyed. But nevertheless, I've worn them and most of the times he got no idea about it. Okay, moving on further, I think gifting them a good like sweatpants will be a great gift for them, because they will live in those for, I'm damn sure, because they will be so comfy and they will feel so good. Also the material is very breathable, so get them a good like set of sweatpants and they will love it for sure. What you also can do is you can also get them a matching like sweatshirts and a sweatpant, a set kind of a thing like this situation, and I'm telling you they are going to wear these over and over again. The last clothing piece that I would recommend to gift would be a good like breathable material shorts. Here are some of the references. I have like linked all of these shorts in the description box below, and give them also the sets, and that will make their life better and easy also, because they don't have to then like find again a different t-shirt to wear on the shorts. Okay, so let's move to the next category, and the most loved category by all the boys. I'm speaking about tech in their life. So I have like categorized small little things which can be helpful and can definitely make their lives better every day. And in that first I have a power bank, because their phone is always like dying, and I think gifting a good power bank would be like a life changing. Next, you all can give them a bunch of cute phone cases. If you all can customize them with whatever things that they like. For example, if they like a certain web series, it would be a cherry on cake for sure. All the boys I know that they love music, and that is why I think gifting a earphone or gifting a headphone would be like a great idea to them. They would definitely love this. So y'all can either go for the headphones, or y'all can definitely go for the wired earphones. As I was speaking about their love for music, I think gifting them a good like a proper portable Bluetooth speaker is a bang on idea to make them happy, because they love loud music. They love like to take their music everywhere, and I think this is universal in every house. So speakers like this, the Marshall one or the JBL one, or any Bluetooth portable speaker would be like a great idea for sure. I think you can also go for the smartwatch. It would be a good addition to their wardrobe also. It will help them in the gym also. Gifting a smartwatch is a really good idea. They can track their whole activity for the day. Next category is about beauty, which I am so excited about to talk to. And the men in our lives are really not bothered about their skin, they are not bothered about their hair. So I think what you all can do here is, the first thing, curate a mini compact like a skincare routine for them, and make sure that they follow it, which is again a task. I think with a little effort you all can do that. Give them a sunscreen, like face sunscreen and also the body sunscreen, which is like highly essential for them. I think gifting them a good like toiletry bag would be a really good idea. If they want to travel, they can just throw in everything like the skincare that you have created. Then again, the winter season is here, and why not, we should obviously think of gifting them a good nourishing body lotion, which will make their skin soft and bouncy. Here are some of them which are really good in the market, and definitely they can use this. Okay, so the next one is really important, will really change their lives for better, will be the desk mat like these, and also give them the laptop stand. Along with the laptop stand, you can also make a combo and give them a laptop case like these or these. So yeah, this will make a good combo, portable blender. So if they are like a gym person or a sports person, or in general also if they love to have like the smoothies, at that time they can do this on their own, and this will again come in handy. The next category is health and well-being, like a mixture of the gym thing. First thing is a good gym bag. Gym bag, you can also give them like one good material gym wear too. They will love that combo. You can definitely go for the gym shoes, because shoes and men, they are like match made in heaven, and I know for a fact that they love their shoes to the utmost priority. Box of dry fruits is my personal addition for a fact. It will keep them like nutritious. Whenever they feel hungry, they can grab a little bit of that and just have it for the time being. So the next category is accessories like silver jewelry, rather than buying any of the anti-tarnish ones. So gifting silver jewelry is, I think, a really great idea, and nowadays we also have like bunch of varieties in terms of silver jewelry for men too. So here are some of the references that you all can definitely check out. Next thing is the classic one, it's the watch. If they love like a vintage stuff, you all can definitely go for the Casio ones. They have like bomb options going on everywhere. Okay, as I was speaking about watches, let's speak also about the watch organizer, and I think this is so good. They will love this combo again. So I think most of the things have eventually become like the combos without even I'm realizing it. You all can give them a watch, and again a watch organizer too, that will make their life easy. And this one is like the watch and the glasses too, and this one is again only with the watches. So yeah, you all have options. Check out them on the Amazon. The sunglasses, I think Eyewear Labs, yeah, I think the Eyewear Labs has like good collection of sunglasses for men and also for the women. So I've had them in the past. They look classy, and you have like bunch of options to choose from. And yeah, check out Eyewear Labs for good sunglasses. Well, with that, I think we have come towards the end of the video, but lastly I want to add a little bit more to this list, and that is being the experiences. So now, apart from all of these gifts that I've spoken about, all of these gifts ideas that I've already shared with you guys, I think gifting them an experience is what they would love the most, because it has that sentimental value to it, and it also makes them feel like loved, and they will definitely feel good after all of these things. Talking about the experience, I think y'all can definitely go and watch like a movie together. Y'all can definitely have like a day out together doing your favorite things. It will mean the world to both of you actually at the end of the day. You can also like cook together, or you can individually also like cook their favorite meal and give them a surprise, or give them also like a handwritten note on it, and that will be the best gift they would ever have, because they are going to remember that always. So yeah, these were some of the recommendations and gift guide from my end. I have tried my absolute best in like gathering all of this and making sure that they are thoughtful and not just the materialistic things. If you all enjoyed watching this one, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you soon in the next one very soon. Until then, bye.